Ollie and the Big Race. On the sun-dappled floor of Shadowberry Woods lived a small speckled woodland beetle named Ollie. While most beetles scurried along very quickly, Ollie did everything with deep, slow concentration. Other insects zipped by in a blur of wings. Ollie moved at the speed of a gentle breeze. He noticed every detail, but he was often late. One bright morning, the woodland creatures gathered for the Maple Leaf Regatta. The prize everyone wanted was a giant golden honeycomb hidden deep in the whispering pines.
Welcome, racers! Today, you will follow clues. Before the wise old snail could finish, the excited racers scrambled away. But Ollie stayed behind. He quietly turned toward the wise old snail, adjusted his tiny red flying cap, and listened carefully. Begin where the red moss grows thickest, but do not stop for tea. Ollie started moving slowly toward the forest. As he approached a giant burdock leaf, he found a tiny trail hidden beneath it.
"Wonder where this path leads," thought Ollie.
It was a small wooden arrow pointing toward the whispering pines. Aha! A hidden clue, said Ollie. The other racers had rushed past without seeing it. Ollie followed the arrow, slowly but steadily. Drip, drip. A sudden summer rainstorm poured over Shadowberry Woods. The other insects panicked as their delicate wings became soaked. Oh no, my wings are all wet, said a butterfly. I can't fly, cried a beetle. But Ollie wasn't worried at all. He found a dry, sturdy maple leaf and gently tilted it over his shell like an umbrella. Perfect! A little leaf umbrella, said Ollie. Slowly and steadily, Ollie kept rolling past his shivering competitors. At last, he reached the ancient pine. The finish line was close, but Ollie wasn't thinking about winning. Instead, he noticed something unusual. A strange, shimmering light reflected from a branch above. What's that? Ollie carefully followed the sparkling light to a tiny knot in the bark. And there, resting on a bed of sweet pine needles, was the glistening Grand Honeycomb. Ollie exclaimed, I found it! Ollie smiled as he loaded the golden prize onto his back. All other insects cheered him well. He hadn't won by being the fastest racer. He had won by being the most observant. Because sometimes, when you slow down and pay attention,
you notice what everyone else misses. The end. See you next time.